This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Michelle Williams. Waterfront condo with boat slip. Bring your boat and live maintenance-free. Completely remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo with boat slip. Boat owners know this is a rare find. Freshwater boat slip with boat lock to Tampa Bay via Channel A, great fishing, and only the major bridges to the Gulf of Mexico. This beautiful condo is located in one of the most sought-after gated neighborhoods in Tampa. Be the first to live in this beautifully fully remodeled condo with open layout, perfect for entertaining with a large updated kitchen. The kitchen offers granite counters, plenty of cabinet space, all new stainless steel appliances, new garbage disposal, oversized breakfast bar with additional storage cabinets, recessed lights with dimmers, and dry bar with wine fridge. New waterproof laminate flooring and crown molding throughout. Everything is 2 years new. No expense was spared, including electric remote blinds. The living room is spacious and opens to the covered screened patio, boasting a serene view. Enjoy the water views from the master bedroom or from your private screened patio. The master suite also offers a gorgeous remodeled ensuite bathroom, second sink with granite countertop, vanity, an oversized shower with decorative pebble flooring, bench seat and glass doors, a walk-in closet and new fixtures. Split bedroom floor plan offers second and third bedroom with walk-in closet. The bathroom has all the same upgrades as the master. Community amenities, boat slip and water/sewer and trash are included. Newer AC, 2 years, new tankless water heater, water softener, laundry tub, new high-end washer and dryer. Don't miss this opportunity to live in a quiet gated community with a large pool, plenty of space to walk along the water, jog or bike, and have access to the water, beaches, airport, and all that Tampa Bay has to offer.